Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and today I'm here with this beautiful, smoky, glittery and selfie makeup look for Valentine's Day. I really hope that you guys will enjoy this tutorial, and all the products that I used in this video will be available at BanglaShoppers.com. So if you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to do my brows with the W7 brow pomade. This is surely one of my most favorite brow pomade from the drugstore. To carve out my brows, I'm going to take the W7 HD Concealer. This is the newer version of their HD Concealer, and this is in the shade NW7. Now I'm going to moisturize my face, and for that I'm using a Boots moisturizer. Now to color correct, I'm using the Absolute Near Click Cover Concealer in two shades. One of them is like my skin shade and another one is the orange corrector. So today I'm going to try out a new technique. So before applying the foundation, I'm going to cream contour my face so that the contour looks really natural. And for that, again, I'm taking another shade of the W7 HD Concealer, and this is in the shade DDN10. And then on top, I'm going to apply the W7 HD foundation in the shade Suede. And while applying the foundation, I'm kind of going to avoid the contoured areas. I'm basically blending the foundation with the contoured areas. Again, going back to that same concealer, I'm going to conceal and highlight my face. And the beauty blender that I'm using is the W7 beauty blender, and again this is the newer version of their beauty blender and it's really good. To set my face, I'm going to apply the Absolute Near loose powder. Now taking the Technic highlighting palette, I'm going to take two of the most lightest shade and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Now let's start the eye makeup. I'm taking the Technic Shaken Not Stirred palette, and from there I'm taking a very cool tone brown on my crease. Taking a darker brown, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And to blend out the edges, I'm taking a very light brown. Going back to the first crease shade, I'm applying it on my lower lash line. Here comes the most exciting part. I'm taking the W7 glitter toppers in the shade Top Priority, and I'm applying it all over my lid up to my crease. For mascara, I'm taking the Absolute Near Infini Lash Mascara. For lashes, I'm taking kind of like a natural pair from Absolute New York. This is their new range of eyelashes. To highlight my inner corners, I'm taking a very light shade from the Trendsetter palette. And going back to that beautiful glitter topper, I'm applying it on my lower lash line as well. To contour my face, first I'm going to take the Absolute New York contouring kit, focusing this mainly on the hollows of my face. And then with the W7 bronzer, I'm going to blend it out so that there are no harsh lines. I'm cleaning up underneath the contour so that it looks nice and sharp. For blush, I'm taking the W7 Triple Trip blusher. And for highlighting, I'm going back to one of my old favorites, the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. Applying it all over my cheeks, sides of my forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and chin. To set my face, I am taking a dewy setting spray from Absolute New York. And after I applied the setting spray, I am going to re-intensify my highlighter just a little bit more. For lipstick, I am taking the Absolute New York Demi Matte lipsticks in the shade Modern Garden. This is like a very classic red lipstick. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!